I know you don't believe it now. You are my child, and I want to take your pain away, but I cannot. This is the most painful and vulnerable place for a mother. To create life and know that at any moment it can be taken and you have no control over it. To feel all the pain of your children, the world, and you have no power. Of course, you can do your best to guide, to hold, to protect, to nurture, to love, just like you do now with your body. But you never know, you cannot control. To love is the ultimate form of vulnerability. You never want it to end, the life, the body, the relationship. But you know it will, and you cannot control it. Whether by physical death here on earth, whether by any kind of transformation and change. To love is to embrace death, pain. Unconditional love means to love all of it, to embrace all of it as you go, for as long as it is, for as long as it lasts, in that shape or form, in freedom, without any attachment, in faith and humbleness. Knowing that you are powerless, yet so powerful through this unconditional love. You'll always love no matter what. You know you will. You will always love. Your heart knows this truth. Your heart is eternally in love. And I love you. Hi! Thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.